This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned peach jam. First, choose about 8 pounds of ripe, firm peaches for optimal flavor. Wash, peel, and chop your peaches into small, uniform pieces. Next, sterilize your canning jars and lids in boiling water for at least 10 minutes. This crucial step ensures your jam remains safe and preserves well for many months. Gather all your ingredients and equipment before you begin cooking. Now, let's get cooking. In a large, heavy-bottomed pot, combine your prepared peaches with 4 cups of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat, stirring continuously. Continue cooking for about 20 to 30 minutes, or until the jam thickens and reaches its setting point. A good test is when a spoonful quickly gels on a chilled plate. Once your jam is ready, it's time to fill the jars. Carefully ladle the hot jam into your sterilized jars, ensuring you leave 1/4 inch of headspace at the top. Wipe the jar rims thoroughly with a clean, damp cloth to ensure a good seal. Center the lids on the jars, then apply the bands fingertip tight. Finally, process the filled jars in a boiling water canner for 10 minutes to create a vacuum seal. After processing, carefully remove the hot jars from the canner and place them on a towel to cool. Allow them to cool undisturbed for a full 24 hours. Once cooled, check each jar for a proper seal. The lid should be concave and not flex when pressed. Any unsealed jars should be refrigerated and consumed within 3 weeks. Properly sealed peach jam can be stored in a cool, dark place for up to 1 year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.